Now, in this lecture, the topic is the reservation in India. Reservation is a system of affirmative action in India that provides historical disadvantaged group representation in education, employment, government schemes, scholarships, and politics and public sector jobs. The Indian Constitution allows the union government and state government to set some regimes and basic rules and some quotas for the reserved category to get admission in the following things. Now, what is reservation? Reservation are providing some reserved seats to the disadvantaged group, so that it became easier for them to get admission in the following sectors. A common form of caste discrimination in India was the practice of untouchability. Now, what is untouchability? In the past time, the lower caste that were now the SC/STs were suppressed by the upper caste, who are now generals. Now they are supposed to do the petty works, and they were also called in a very bad manner, and also supposed to not touch, because the upper caste think that if they touch, then it will unclean themselves. Now, in the year of 1982, it was specified that 15% and 7.5% reserved vacancies or reservation will be given to the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. After giving reservation to them, it arises that some reservation should be given to the other backward classes also. So, a significant changes in 1979, when the Mandal Commission or the socially and educationally backward classes formed. In the 1980, the Commission report recommended that a reserve quota of 27% should be given to the other backward class category. After that, some time passed, and now in the year of 2019, it said that 10% of reservation should be given to the other unreserved category, who are generals, on the basis of income. Now the other category arises that was economically weaker section. The Supreme Court told that the reservation should not exceed 50%, but in this case the 10% of reservation is given on the basis of income, not on the basis of caste. Now, what are the advantages of reservation? Now, suppose a lower caste background aspirant who are competing to get a job will get some flexibility to get a job, so that he will become a bread earner for his family, and he will uplift his family. So to come in the mainstream of the society and develop himself. This is the main advantage of reservation in the job sector, and also in the education, politics, and many other sectors. Thank you.